Good morning. Well, it took us a while, but we got here. The woods are still damaged from the hurricane a year and a half ago, and George was kind enough to bring me out here today and the spot he was digging before the hurricane. Anyway, he started out here in this hole, and he's found a couple of good pieces of pottery. He's got a pocket full of flakes, and I got some flakes over here, and we decided to screen some of this. I just hit this piece of pottery, and then this next to it, I've got something. Might be our first point.
Point preform.
Ain't quite finished, is it?
Either that or its stem snapped off.
Real thin. We'll get it washed up, get a picture of it for you. But anyway, it's a start for the day, and hope it's just the beginning. We're gonna get these shovels back in the dirt and move some more dirt. I wanted to show you a piece of this this pottery I just dug up. Looks like it's a rim shard, and it's incised. Got markings all on it. I just thought that's pretty cool. Might get into some more of it. Anyway, we're gonna get back to digging. Got down to the end of the dirt on this screen and looked up here at the top. Got a nice little bird point sitting here.
Ooh, it's perfect. Just chewing on that buffalo meat. Spit that out.
Yep. Like some number 4 shot.
Good job, Tom.
All right. All right, time to move some more of this dirt. Let me get a good picture of it and get the shovel back in the dirt. All right, he had a little bit of dirt left up on the screen, and he just found this little heartbreaker in it. What you call that, George? Just some kind of little corner notch or something?
Mm-hmm. It's definitely a broke point.
It's got some pretty red on
Carbon date that.
it. Figure out what we're working with here. Man.
Sun.
Okay. How deep was that dirt that was up there?
That was a foot and a half, that piece.
All right. So we not hitting much stuff further down than a couple of feet, are we?
Nope.
All right. Let's fill this screen back up and find something else. All right, he heard it in the hole, and when he dumped his shovel over, it fell out. You can see a little bit of the marking where the shovel hit it. It was almost live action.
Yeah, probably did. Nah, it's got flakes going on.
It's got a case side and then a side. Any idea what you'd call that?
A real good arrowhead right now.
A nice whole arrowhead. There we go.
Yeah.
Dart. All right. Well, let's keep screening. Find a couple of more. All right, I started out in this hole using the sift and found a couple of points, and I've just been using the shovel and working the walls now, the edges, and I've hit up on something down here in the bottom. Not quite sure what it is. I think it's going to be a point. Caught a little, look at there. Let's see, there's a, oh yeah. Ha, there we go. Pretty little corner notch. Fresh from the dirt. Ready for the frame. Hadn't really found anything that deep. Been hitting some rocks and some flakes down there, and this is the first point. This came from that deep. Anyway, we're gonna keep going, see if we can't find another one. All right, what a surprise. I kept hitting something down here in the shovel and couldn't find it. Threw the scoop of dirt up on the screen. Thank goodness for screens. Little flake. And look, hiding here. Does anybody know what that is? How about an Evans? Down here out of southwest Louisiana. Wow. Two from here?
Oh, there's been
From this hill?
5 or 6.
Oh, okay. I thought, okay.
Maybe more.
Oh, okay.
I don't know
I
how
didn't.
many Carl dug.
Oh, I didn't realize that. All right. Well,
I
anyway.
hit Evans right there, but none of them were very memorable. That's a pretty good one, looks like.
Another Evans for the case. Pretty happy with that. Day maker so far.
That make you go around and go.
All right, it's time to get back in the dirt with a shovel. Well, it's been a minute since either one of us found anything. The weather's starting to change, starting to drizzle on us a little bit. But got one. Something down here in the bottom of the hole. Hit it with my shovel and I've cleaned around it with my...
Good one.
It is Arrowhead.
Birdie.
Get it where you can see it. Thank you, Jesus.
Some dirty wings to it.
Almost a chisel tip.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's see what we can do before the rain runs us off. Well, we finished up and we're walking out. Good day today. I'm not sure how many points I ended up with. We kind of had to leave in a hurry. It started raining, but I did find the Evans, and any day you find an Evans is a good day. Flagging is a lifesaver in here. Getting out. All right, until the next dig. Later.